Welcome back to this video about increment and decrement in PHP. Whenever you need to increase or decrease a variable by 1, you can use the plus or minus sign. The increment or decrement operator only affects numbers and strings. Arrays, objects, booleans, and resources are not affected. Also, decrementing null values has no effect too, but incrementing them results in 1. The increment and decrement operators can be placed either before or after the variable, and the effect is different depending on where the operator is placed. So let's create a variable called variable x and set it equal to 10. And let's echo out variable x. So the pre-increment increments variable x by 1 and then returns x. So let's put two plus signs right in front of the variable, and let's refresh the browser. And you can see that the output is 11. What this basically means is that plus is equal to 1 and the system will add 1 to 10, so that's 11. We also have something that's called a pre-increment. If we put the two plus signs right after the variable and we echo it, let's save it, you can see that the value 10 will be printed out. This happens because we're echoing out variable x first, and then we are increasing it by 1. So let's create another echo, and let's echo out variable x. And also, let's add a break in between. Save it, refresh it, and you can see that it's 11 now. So what this basically does is, it's echoing out variable x, and then it's adding 1, but variable x is already printed out. But after the two plus signs, variable x is equal to 11. So if we echo out x again, the result is 11. And the same thing can be done to decrement. So let's remove the two echoes. Let's add two minus signs in front of the echo. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and you can see that the output is 9. And what this basically does is it will subtract 1 from 10. But because it's in front of the variable, it will be first subtracted and then the variable will be printed out. You could also add two minus signs after the variable. So let's test it out. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and you can see that the output is still 10. So let's add a break again with the lowercase, and let's echo out variable x, and you can see that the output is 9. So let's change the value of variable x to null, and let's put the two minus signs in front of the variable. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and nothing's happening because you cannot decrease a null. But what we can do is increase it. So let's add two plus signs. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and null is changed to 1. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.